Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, just wanted to touch base really quickly on an app update that I have noticed specific to the checkout process. Maybe this is something that just changed for me and this is how it's been for everyone all along. But I had done a walkthrough video on the checkout process, and how it had typically worked for me was you bag the items and it walked you through bagging the items, and then you scan the little barcode that's on the screen. Now it has me use the little trigger gun thing, scan the code, the barcode that is on the app. Is this something that just changed for me? Is this how it used to be for everyone? I'm really curious. I had run into an issue with one of the people who worked at Walmart, had to do a cart check, and how it would walk you through it.
In 1 mile, keep left.
Items, and then it would do the cart check, and she's like, "Why did you do it that way?" Because that's what it told me to do. So now it has you scan it, and then sometimes the cart check happens, then you bag the items. Maybe that's better for the people working there, and that's fine. But she obviously had seen that previously, so I don't know if this was just my location, although it had been this way at multiple locations. Is this just something that I was noticing on my app? Did the app change? Did the Walmart locations change? Curious how that all worked. So if you've had an experience with this update, let me know how that goes. Do you think it's better? Do you think it's worse? Are there
Keep left.
changes that I'm not necessarily noticing? And maybe something I'll see in the future as I go. I haven't really noticed a lot of other changes.
In about 1.5 miles, turn right to merge onto US 30 West.
Thank you for that. And just want to see what your experiences are. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Share your experiences, ask questions, check out some of my other videos on walking through shopping orders, curbside pickups, and I have lots of other things on there. Amazon Flex, some DoorDash stuff, some nature videos.
In 1 mile, turn right to merge onto US 30 West.
Make sure to check those out. Leave questions if there's anything else you want to see. Here's to Life and Fitness. Peace out.